Oh mabhenqa kithi ngikhona ke lapha ke ngidinga impeke esithombeni mfowethu kuthweni inkantolo wena ubufikile esithombeni
icala lihlehlele i-31 zika January 2021 lihlehlele into ebizwa nge-pre-trial conference la khona uhulumeni kumele azocacisa kahle ukuthi ibuphi lobufakazi lobu aphethe azoshushisa ngabo umacingwane mase sinikezele lobufakazi ke sobe sesibuyele emuva ke sesithatha ama date ekuzoqula icala uma ukuthi kubukhona lobufakazi sesoyilungiselela ukuthi sithina sizoyivikela kanjani kulo hulumeni nombuso oshushisa ngamacala angekho
ukusho njalo manje kufanele befike benabo bebelethe ubufakazi nabo ufakazi bani nje mana njengoba labantu behlulwa i-formal bail condition ibuphi lobufakazi nje
into angekho sobanqoba kodwa ke omunye umuntu angayisho ukuthi siyawina la umlando ungakuthina zonke izinto zingakuthina leli cala soluwina nje ngamalengiso masiqeda ukulwina ke sesiyobe seyikhala kubona ke manje sesiyibambele nathi sesiyivuyise sesiyiphiniselela ngoba la catsene kubalekile emacingwane khona nabantu abesuthu la ulandelwa izwe lonke khona namavenda abangasizwa isiZulu cathi kubalekile ngiphinde ngishicilele lenkulumo ngesingisi so we went today on Ngizwe Mchunuzi's case. It was postponed for the 31st of January, which is a pre-trial conference. In a pre-trial conference, the state has a responsibility of coming forward with the evidence that they think they have. And upon coming with that evidence, they present it to court. They furnish us with affidavit, which will assist us in preparing for our defense as the accused. And upon the pre-trial conference, we'll then get a date for the trial itself. That's if the case has enough evidence before the court to prosecute the matter. So, as things stand, we are cruising nicely. History is on our side. The truth is on our side. We'll win this thing, and upon winning it, we'll be on top of them. We don't play. We don't have time to play. So that is the position we have taken.